Oatmeal time. Mixed. Bacon.
Bacon.
Pears.
Pears. We have cheese omelet, hash browns, a sock. What is the sock for?
For flavoring.
What is the ketchup for? To wear on your feet?
Yes. Perfect. So step 1 is make a boiling water.
How do you make a boiling water?
You get a pot, you fill with water, and put it on the stove until it boils.
The temperature has to be
Over 100 degrees, because that's the boiling point. Did you know that if there's ice in water, the temperature cannot go past 100 degrees Celsius until all the ice is melted? Step 2, open the box. Step 3, take this out. Step 4, place it in. For your next ration, go through step 2 to 4 over again. Well, while we wait, we can have a word from our sponsor. Does your ketchup make you awesome? I'm awesome. Remember to stir thoroughly. Remember to add an ice cube for flavor. What know what to do? Step 5. After you've waited for them to cook, we really have no clue when to take them out, so just take them out when you feel like it. Step 5. Remove rations from hot. One out. Step 6. Open fork container. Or spork, if you're lucky. Step 7. Wait for it to cool off. And now, another word from our other sponsor. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter Step 8. Once you are satisfied with the temperature with your packet rations, there are 2 little indents on each side. Even though the writing is upside down, you hold it like this and you go like this to open it. Make sure there's no food right here, else you go there you go. It's open. Step 9. Enjoy. Hash browns. We overcooked it, I think.
Go on to the next step. My camera's gonna run out.
I'm not opening when it's hot. That's what she said. You don't have to. Yeah, do it. Starting to look like black water.
Matt, say it.
I think we did something wrong.
Say it. Woo!
How long do we do this for? For your next ration, ooh, I think we overcooked it.
I'm gonna put some ketchup in it.
I think we overcooked it.
Open this one. Back to step 2. Yeah.
Okay, I'm slow on words. Okay.
You don't know?
That water, if there's ice in water, the water cannot get past 100 degrees until all the lice. Step 3.
No, not step 3.
Yeah.
Okay, try again.
We're not gonna go step 4. 2.5.
Okay, go from the beginning. No, from
Step 2. Open the box.
But it's already open.
Did you know that if there is...
Do you know what they're even trying to say? Okay, try it. One more time. You have one more take. Only 3 takes. Go. Go. Just go.
Step 1. Open the box.
We're done step 1. Hey, don't swear. Step 2.
Jenna's reaction to cheese omelet with vegetables.
She's like dog food.
Thank you for me.
You know what this calls for?
Epic meal. Military style.